what we have here is a download of something called diasend. Anybody using diasend already? Yeah, most of you are, good. So diasend, for those that don't know, is a sort of IT box of tricks which allows blood glucose data to be shared between the individual person at home with a specialist team in hospital. In addition, the patient can come to an insulin pump clinic, bring their pump with them or their meter. It can be connected to the box and you can look at their sugar levels over time. So Big Brother or Sister is truly watching. There's not really any hiding place here. There's no ink or faking of numbers with this. It is what it is. It's digital, it's captured. You can't tweak it or edit it afterwards. And again, it gives a really good, I find it very useful with my colleagues doing the service, whereby it gives a really good snapshot. We share it with the patient in the consultation. You explain the time points across the whole day, across the screen, days of the week down the screen. You look at obvious patterns and trends. The red obviously implies higher than you'd like sugar levels, the greens apply good times, the purples apply some hypos are happening, but it gives you a chance to drill down and look for patterns and trends. It's difficult to base a glucose treatment decision on one number, I would suggest. I think the more data you have, the more data points to inform the picture is better. And as you all know, HbA1c will tell one part of the story, whereas finger prick real-time numbers tell a very different story. So, but used together, really invaluable. It's how you use the information. So this is a really useful resource we've used locally. Obviously it gives you nice summaries of things in terms of how many values, how often the person's testing, for example, whether a target or not, what the highest, the lowest was. All sorts of emergent numbers and patterns can be drawn up from this. And this is somebody who's using an insulin pump, so again, you can see a number of data points. Again, this is going further, so it's got glucose information. Now, it's also got insulin pump user has inputted how many carbs he was eating, the figure in grams, as well as the number of units of insulin he gave. So you're really getting really drilled down information specifically on stuff that the individual is doing in their own situation. And you can look at patterns and trends and responses to insulin doses, for example, to certain amounts of carbohydrate, and working out if that was the right dose or not for that particular point in time. But again, with particular pump users, we know that the more data you give the machine to work from, the more useful the output's going to be. I'm forever telling people you can have drive the coolest sports car in the world. I don't, I wish I did. But if you did, and you can't use half the functions, where's the fun? Where's the value? Driving safely, of course, yeah. But